Hey YouTubers, today I have another interesting vintage camera to show. It is a German roll-up 2 6x6 centimeters medium format folding camera which requires common 120 film rolls. The camera consists of a modified Balda Baldax folding camera body and a coupled Plaubel rangefinder named Plaubel Telemeter, which is identical to the ones installed on the Plaubel Makina's 6x9 centimeters. In addition, the camera is equipped with a lens also from the Plaubel A.G in Frankfurt on the Main River, an Anticomar with a focal length of 7.5, which is 75 millimeters, with a widest opening of f2.8 built into a DECKEL Munich COMPUR rapid rimset shutter with times from 1 second until 1/400th of a second plus B and T, and a self-timer with a lead time of approximately 9 seconds. The f-stop markings on the shutter are 2.8, 3.5, 4.5 and uncommon 6, 9, 12, 18 and 25. The coupled helical has focusing markings from 1 meter until infinity. I guess the lens has 3 elements and it is not multi-coded. This roll-up 2 camera has been modified by the previous owner with a folding Zeiss icon 6x6 finder. You can tell that this camera has been used excessive over the years because the nickel plating vanished and the brass can be seen. Also, the bellows were not light sealed anymore, and I covered the worn out corners with some thin black nylon pieces. It was a lot of work to find nylon material which was thin enough to fold the pieces accordingly and to affix it to the bellows in a way that the rest of the bellows folds correctly when closing the door. The film advance mechanism and the knobs are identical to the ones you will find on the old Plaubel Makina film magazines, which have a double exposure prevention. Furthermore, the picture numbers also can be controlled on the back door by rotating the nickel-plated disc where you see then the red window. Let me know if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.